Bonnie. I am here today with my Allure beauty bag that I actually canceled. I canceled Allure, Macy's, Lola, Birchbox, and Sephora because I'm really focusing my channel now on my Bath and Body Works, my Lush, and just a few of the beauty bags that I really, really love because I'm doing a lot of demos now. But I didn't cancel in time for February, so I wanted to show you guys the Allure bag. This is $15 subscription, and it was a little bit hard to cancel. I actually had to email them, and then they tried to get me back for $10, and I kind of wavered. But I ended up canceling. I like Allure. They used to be kind of hit or miss, and they came in a red box. Now they come in a bag, but you tend to get good stuff. So the first thing I got was the Wander Beauty. This is the Mile High Mascara, retail value of $26. I'm really getting loaded up on mascara. I do have a lot. We just got the Too Faced mascara in the BoxyCharm, but I always smell this. I always smell mascara, and it's so strange. Like, why do you smell mascara? It all smells the same. But this is one of those ones that comes in like a tube, and like a squishy tube. So that was kind of cool. So what else did we get? Oh, we also got the um, Model Company Metallic Tri Shadow, and this is pretty. Nice shades in there. Just want to show you that. This would be nice for, like, if you put your beauty bag or something. It's really dark outside, by the way, and I don't have my full lighting up, so I'm kind of in the shadows. Okay, so we got that. That is actually a $15 value. Next up, the one thing that I do that I'll probably miss from the beauty bags, and I'm hoping BoxyCharm gives us, is I love getting brushes. This is the Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush, $4.99. This is a nice eyeshadow brush, like that. Um, the stuff that I'm not going to miss in the beauty boxes, I got to be honest here. This is the I don't even know how to pronounce this. Mammonoid. It sounds like something from Star Trek. Anyway, this is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam. It's cute. $21 for the full size. However, it's hard when you've got like a lot of off brands. I do try them occasionally, but I was just getting too many of these type of samples. So that's kind of why I decided to focus my channel more, because I'm getting too much of that kind of stuff. I like the makeup though. Let's see, what else did we get? We got some another mascara. Oh no, this is a brow gel. Oh my gosh, and brow products. Hello, you guys. That's the one thing that I am so loaded up on. I like them, but I've been wearing my hair. Look at that. That's really cute. Oops. Look how cute that little brush is. I usually wear bangs anyway, so my brows aren't the most important thing as far as my makeup routine anymore. Um, so I'm definitely loaded up on brow products. This one is a $22 value. Um, so brow products and skin products, I'm kind of like, I got a lot of that. The final thing, is this the final thing? Yeah, we got, this is the Larizzi. It looks like we probably had some sort of like choice. Everybody got a different thing here. You either got the Larizzi lip pencil, the Deuce graphic pen, or the Mally High Shine liquid lipstick. And this, I actually like lip pencils. This is the one thing I love getting in a box. I can never have too many lip pencils. I do use these a lot. It's very pretty. I love getting a lip pencil. Another thing that I'm just totally loaded up on the beauty boxes are the eyeliners. Oh my gosh. Everyone sends a black eyeliner, and I don't wear a black eyeliner. So I'm gifting a lot of this stuff to family. Oh, we also got, oh, check it out. I also got a mask. This is sitting right in front of me. This is the same brand as the foaming stuff. I do like the masks. They're nice to get in the beauty box. But like I said, I just decided that I just wanted to focus my channel on the things that I really love, which is the Bath and Body Works, the Lush, which, by the way, Easter is coming tomorrow. So I'm going to do a big haul, and then I'm going to demo out all of the Lush products. I'm super excited about that. So I'll hope you join me for that. So anyway, Thank you for watching my final Allure bag. Who knows? You never know. I might get it back. I might change my mind. I've been known to do that. So anyway, I hope everyone has a really good Wednesday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.